This is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here I'm making a video to show a 5 ton per day capacity flake ice machine. This is the machine. This machine can make 5 tons of ice flakes within every 24 hours. And that capacity is based on 30 degrees Celsius ambient temperature, 20 degrees Celsius inlet water temperature. This 5 ton per day capacity flake ice machine is equipped with one 25 horsepower piston compressor. 25 horsepower, that is the bigger compressor compared to other Chinese companies' 5 ton per day capacity flake ice machine. This machine is also equipped with more components. So the machine can make better quality ice flakes compared to other Chinese companies' 5 ton per day capacity flake ice machine. I'm going to show the quality of ice flakes made by this machine. Let's put the camera near the ice outlet so we can check the quality of ice flakes made by the machine. Very good quality ice flakes, dry, well frozen, with perfect cooling power. Let's check the inside of the ice generator. So this is the inside of the ice generator. We can see the ice is removed from the evaporator very smoothly. Water is getting frozen very well. Okay, very good.